Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. Today, you're going to learn the complete difference between Manager.io and Akaunting, two lightweight accounting software options that are becoming increasingly popular among freelancers, small businesses, and anyone looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their finances. And by the end of this video, you will clearly understand which software is better suited for your business, whether you prefer a desktop-based solution like Manager.io or a cloud-based platform like Akaunting. Let's begin with pricing, starting with Manager.io. Manager.io offers two main editions. The first is the desktop edition, which is completely free. You can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and it includes full-featured accounting with no limits, no ads, and no trial period. This version allows you to create invoices, track expenses, manage inventory, generate reports, and perform complete double-entry bookkeeping without paying anything. The second option is the Cloud Edition, which costs $59 per month. This plan includes unlimited users and unlimited businesses with no extra fees, plus remote access, multi-user collaboration, automatic backups, automatic updates, and compatibility across desktops, tablets, and phones. There is also a server edition available as a one-time purchase for companies that prefer to self-host their accounting system internally. Now let's look at the pricing for Akaunting. Akaunting uses a tiered cloud subscription model. The standard plan costs $8 per month and includes one company, one user, plus one accountant, 1,000 invoices, and 4 apps. The premium plan costs $24 per month and increases capacity to 10 companies, 10 users, 10,000 invoices, and 10 apps. The Elite plan costs $56 per month and offers 30 companies, 30 users, 30,000 invoices, and 30 apps. The Ultimate plan costs $145 per month and provides unlimited companies, unlimited users, unlimited invoices, and full access to all apps. Higher tier plans unlock features such as budgeting, sales and purchase orders, point of sale, CRM, projects, payroll, and inventory. Compared to Manager.io, Akaunting's pricing depends strongly on how many features, users, and companies you need. Now let's move into the features of Manager.io. Manager.io is known for being fast, offline capable, and extremely efficient. It includes full double entry accounting, allowing accurate journals, ledgers, balance sheets, and profit and loss statements. It also includes invoicing tools for sales invoices, purchase invoices, credit notes, and recurring billing. You can manage customers, suppliers, inventory items, and purchase orders with detailed cost tracking. The banking features allow reconciliation, statement imports, and smooth transaction categorization. One of the biggest strengths of Manager.io is its modular design. You can enable only the features you need, such as fixed assets, depreciation, capital accounts, projects, or expense claims. This flexibility allows businesses to create a custom accounting setup without unnecessary clutter. Because Manager.io runs locally on your computer, it is fast, responsive, and works even without an internet connection. For users who need privacy, security, or offline access, this is a major advantage. Now let's explore the pros and cons of Manager.io. On the positive side, the free desktop version is extremely generous, offering full accounting capabilities without charging anything. It's lightweight, quick, and does not rely on the cloud. The modular structure also makes it easy for beginners to use only the features they need. However, Manager.io does have limitations. The interface, while clean, is more plain compared to modern cloud software. Collaboration is limited unless you purchase the cloud or server edition. And since the desktop version is offline, multi-device access requires manual setup. Because it isn't widely advertised, users may also find fewer tutorials or community support compared to more mainstream accounting tools. Now let's move to Akaunting and explore its features. Akaunting is a modern, cloud-based accounting platform aimed at freelancers and small businesses that want easy online access to their financial data. Unlike Manager.io, which emphasizes offline capability, Akaunting is designed to work over the internet, giving users real-time access from any device. The interface is clean, polished, and simple to navigate. The dashboard provides a quick snapshot of income, expenses, cash flow, and unpaid invoices. Akaunting includes core features like invoicing, expense tracking, customer and vendor management, bank account tracking, basic reporting, and cash flow dashboards. One of Akaunting's biggest selling points is its App Store. This ecosystem allows users to install additional features such as payroll, double entry accounting, project management, inventory, point of sale, recurring billing, and automated payment reminders. Akaunting becomes more powerful as you add these apps. The platform also supports multiple currencies, online payments through Stripe or PayPal, and client portals that let your customers view invoices and make payments online. The cloud nature of Akaunting means it supports team collaboration right away. Multiple users can log in, assign roles, and work on the same financial data simultaneously. Akaunting also integrates with tools like WooCommerce, Shopify, and other e-commerce platforms, making it attractive for online businesses. It offers a mobile-friendly interface for users who want to manage their finances on the go. Because everything is stored in the cloud, backups and updates happen automatically. Now let's examine the pros and cons of Akaunting. On the positive side, Akaunting has a modern, user-friendly interface that's easy to learn. It's cloud-based, so you can access your data from anywhere. It includes a client portal, supports online payments, and works seamlessly with e-commerce tools. The App Store allows businesses to expand functionality as needed. However, there are downsides. Many essential features require paid apps, making Akaunting potentially more expensive than it appears at first. Some users report bugs, performance issues, or slow support, especially on the free version. Because it is cloud-based, you need constant internet access, and data privacy depends on Akaunting's servers rather than your own hardware. And while powerful, Akaunting's accounting engine is not as polished or reliable as Manager.io's long-standing desktop implementation. Now let's look at ratings. Manager.io does not have an official dedicated page on G2 or Capterra because it is not marketed as a traditional commercial cloud product, but community feedback on forums and long-time users is overwhelmingly positive. Users consistently praise its stability, speed, and generous free offering. Meanwhile, Akaunting has mixed ratings on platforms such as Capterra, with an average score around 3.9 out of 5. Users like the interface and cloud access, but frequently mention issues with bugs, unreliable updates, and the cost of add-ons. Akaunting's community feedback often centers around its potential, but some users feel it needs more refinement. So here is the final takeaway. Choose Manager.io if you want a fast, reliable, offline-capable accounting system with no monthly fees. It's perfect for freelancers, consultants, small local businesses, and anyone who wants complete control of their financial data without relying on the cloud. The free desktop edition is powerful enough to replace paid accounting software. Choose Akaunting if you want a modern, cloud-based platform with collaboration tools, app integrations, and online access from any device. It's ideal for businesses that prefer convenience, mobility, and add-on features, even if that means paying extra. No matter which tool you choose, the most important thing is selecting software that fits your workflow and helps you stay consistent with your bookkeeping. If this comparison helped you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, take a moment to test them both and see which one feels more natural for your business. I'll continue creating tutorials that help you choose the right financial tools and manage your business more effectively. If you have questions or want me to compare other lightweight accounting software, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future guides.